Hello everybody and welcome to this new video. My name is Lejefy and this is Lejefy Reviews. Let's go. Okay you guys, after the unboxing, I will also show you a tip in regards to if and when you go and try them at a Bose store. Alright, so let's start unboxing these Bose Sports earbuds. So on the back of the box, it gives you a quick inside information about the product and its compatibility among them the usual Android, Apple devices, and it's all possible thanks to, as we know, Bluetooth connectivity, of course. Alright, so on the bottom of the box, you see over here this little tip. It's a string, just pull on it like so, and that's how you get the ball rolling to the unboxing of this beautiful thing over here. Okay, let me just put the paper over there. Very good. And then it reminds me almost of a wristwatch box. Okay, so first look into the box. This is how it looks. Very simple. Alright, let me just put my Sound Sports over there. And this little paper will go over there, and yeah, there you go. Very simple, looks beautiful, which by the way, it almost looks like a pebble, like a blue pebble. And the color, look at the color. I mean, the Baltic blue is stunning. I mean, at least I think so. It's really beautiful, and you have your Bose logo on the top of it, of course. When you open it, there you go, you have both of your earbuds inside of it, of course, and then right away it tells you the amount of juice the battery has on the charging case and everything, which is pretty cool. Let me just close over here. If you see over here the LEDs, it shows you right over here the amount of battery it has. Inside, what's left is basically just the paperwork, and you also have the tips, the other tips, the small one, of course. And then you also have your large tip over here because they come with the medium size one. And over here you have your quick start guide, of course, the very first thing you see, and then your manual with a whole bunch of pages that, well, nobody reads. But anyways, it's there. And then when we open this other compartment, we see the charging cable, which by the way, it doesn't bring the wall break. So if you don't have one, you're gonna have to buy one. Pulling this out of here, it's actually USB and USB-C, you guys, is no longer micro USB, which is pretty cool. I actually like that. And yeah, that's about it. There's nothing else inside the box. Okay, now guys, if you do manage to go ahead and get the chance of trying these, whether you go into one of their physical stores at a mall or something like that, or you do indeed decide to go ahead and buy them and try them at home, just like I did, they do give you, Bose does give you what they call a 90 days hassle-free trial period, which when they say hassle-free, it's only in reference to those 90 days. Nothing else, you guys. Now, that's what got me confused, and that's why I'm mentioning it right here, right now, because inside that shipping box where the actual earbuds box came in, let me show you. They place they place this card inside of it saying the following statement, okay? Now remember, they do say online in their website 90 days hassle-free trial period. But then this is what this statement says in this card that came inside of this box. It says, "We think you're going to love this product, but if you find you need to return it for any reason, you're covered by our 30 days hassle-free return policy." Okay, is it just me or is that not confusing? Huh? Is it 30 days or is it a 90 days hassle-free trial period? Which one is it? Because this is kind of confusing. Now, I thought to myself, does this have to do, these 30 days, does this have to do with you buying them at a physical store? Or does 90 days trial period have to do with you buying them online? I don't know, honestly. But to me, that's kind of confusing, and I just wanted to mention that to you guys. But anyways, you guys, I am going to leave the link to Bose return and exchange policy page down in the description below for this video for you to check out, along with other information that I think it might be of value to you guys. I do want to give you a friendly tip, if you will. If you do get the chance to go into one of their physical stores to try these, because maybe you're kind of iffy about buying them, that's fine, that's okay too. But if you do visit one of the stores, you get to try them, don't forget to take alcohol wipes. Okay, you know those little square alcohol wipes that they sell at the pharmacy and stuff? Don't forget to take those, because most of the time, if not all the time, when you take these little things out of the case that one of their team member salesperson shows you, it's dirty. It's dirty with other people's stuff. So if you go to one of their physical store, make sure you do take an alcohol wipe, or 2 or 3 of those little square ones, because you're going to need them if they don't have them in the store, because they do have those near these headphones displays. Okay, usually they do, but sometimes they do run out of them. Okay, because you know how many people pass through their store. Once you check them out, I guess you can say, make sure to take the tip of the earbuds out by pulling on the back of it, you guys. That's how you pull them out. And grab the alcohol wipe, and through the hole of the earbud, stick that alcohol. Even if you have to like roll it a little bit to get it in there, do it. Clean it through it, okay, inside of it and around it. And then if you also able to like pull the stay here tip, which is like a mushroom type of tip, do that. Pull them forward, I guess you can say, and clean in there as well. Okay, clean them, you guys. Also here on the side as well. And lastly, over here at the actual earbud tip, make sure to clean around there too. Okay, that's just me. I'm a crazy detail freak, I know, but safety first, right? Because trust, you don't want to put nothing dirty in your ear. Well, that's it everybody for this video. Thank you all so much for being here with me today, and for checking out all of my contents here on this channel, and also through my LejefyArts.com page. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below if you haven't already, and follow me through my other social media platforms to keep yourself up to date with more of my future content. See you in the next video, everybody. Bye bye.